In this video, I'll show you how to find a field agent record in Airtable. Once you are on your Airtable account, head over to the left-hand side. At the bottom, choose Workspaces, and within Workspaces, simply choose the base that you want to work with. Let's say I want to do this on my employee task tracker, so click on that base. It will automatically take you to the database section. Now, a field agent is a type of field that runs with AI. So within this table, on the very end, as you can see, I have a field agent. Now, a field agent usually has a blue indication within it. If you hover your mouse on it, it will automatically state that this is a long text and it has an opening and closing parentheses stating that it is an agent. Now, if you run this agent, as you can see, it will search for the web and it will automatically add the record. Now, whenever you click on a field agent record, at the bottom, it will automatically show you that it is edited by a field agent. On the right hand side, you can choose to rewrite or ask Omni for the changes that you want for the field. So from here, as you can see, when I ran the agent, it will automatically have this blue indication. At the bottom, it will also show you the AI limitations. From here, if we proceed to a normal table, as you can see, it will automatically just show you if it's either A. It will automatically show you the options that you can do for it, unlike a field agent. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.